Konnichiwa and hello everyone. My name is Adrienne Cully and I am here with Gwandi from Horizon International. Today we are in our showroom at Horizon's Innovation Park in our headquarters of Takashima, Japan. Right behind us, we have our brand new iCE STITCHER SPF-2000 booklet making system. And here today to give you a demo and walkthrough of all of the brand new and upgraded features, we have Gwandi. So, Gwandi, are you ready to do this demo?
Yes, thank you, Adrienne.
Okay, great.
So today we prepared two types of jobs. The first one will be an A4 portrait booklet and the second one will be a landscape A4 booklet. So why not come closer and take a look? So to start with, you already see this new touch panel with our newly designed user interface. It is designed on a job-centered style based on the operating sequence. Very user-friendly and intuitive. And plus, for this SPF 2000, we also added the quick run set button here. So sometimes there are many places need to be adjusted on the machine, which is great, but some might still feel okay, they need to narrow it down. So we prepare this for you to list it up some very frequently adjusted items on the finish accuracy and the transport stability. So you can just by clicking the minus plus to adjust the jogging times, the delay times, and the waiting time, transport speed. Okay, so let's start our first job from scratch. I'll get my sheets here. Very beautiful Biwa Lake. Welcome visit. And for the first one, today we are going to do a standard 2-stitch head booklet with trimming. So let's go to the next page and mirroring. Okay. 4 to 6, and the width is 303. That's it. Go to the next page. And put the thickness. Do the changeover. Very fast. It's done. And let's just produce some booklets. Ready for it? So now the machine is running at a very fast speed. Oh, the booklet just came out of the delivery section. Very fast, our first job is done. And let's check the quality. The stitches. Very nice. Trimming. And also check the stitch quality inside of the booklet. Thank you. So speaking of quality, we have upgraded a lot of places on this new model, and not just quality, we also prioritize the usability, the easy operation, and maintenance. So why not take a look from section by section? Let's start by the stitching section. So here you're already seeing that this cover has been upgraded into an one-action open cover. Well, because we have already upgraded the automation and without that frequent detaching or attaching the parts inside the machine, the operator don't have to open the machines that frequently anymore. Also, the glass windows for better checking and the safety as well. So start from the stitching section here. We have added separate air blower for better jogging quality of the sheets, and the wiring fitting now is detected on the bobbin plate here to detect whether the bobbin is circling and the wiring is getting feed or not. And for the stitching head, of course, it's also getting detected for the mis-stitching for better stitching quality. And oh, let's check what's this. I hope somebody didn't hide their candies inside. Yes, there's a little box. You can tidy up your tools, the guides inside of the box. Very thoughtful. And let's check the folding section. So for the folding section, we also upgraded a lot of places. Not just the stopper can be adjusted the angles for skewing when skewing is happening. We also added two knobs here for top and bottom of the sheets, so the for better balanced, better folding quality. And let's check this. So the press rollers can be easily stayed open by just lowering down the two levers for our operators to get a better access of the machine inside to check maybe paper jamming or other issues. And not just that, we also added here anti-bounce roller just next to the stopper. So even paper substrate different, we make sure that the paper hits the stopper completely and arrives the stopper to offer a better folding quality. Let's check the trimmer. So for the trimming, we also added a separate servo motor to jog the booklet before trimming for better quality too. And plus, we also decrease the static electricity to decrease the waste of paper stock inside the machines, maybe, which offers a cleaner and easier maintenance. And not just that, we are now at the delivery section. So you might notice that the roller now is upgraded and it's in the same, it's aligned with the quality of our stitch liner, the pressure rollers, which offers a better stacking quality. And plus, in our showroom, this roller is the AR model, which can automatically change its position. So our operator just enter the size on the touch panel, and then it will automatically change its position to align with the sheet size, the booklet size. Okay, so we still have a second job to run. Do not forget our new model can now do both the portrait and landscape in a compact footprint. So let's check the second one. Okay, for this one, I'm going to directly retrieve from the touch panel. By the way, so this new model can now store up to 999 jobs, which is here. And do the changeover very quickly, and just make sure that the tower is on the right one, because we have two different jobs to run for today. Okay, that's it. Just press the button and start. Okay, I will just wait at the delivery section here. Maybe you have noticed that we added this button here, so our operator can easily run or stop the machine from this side of machines, yeah. And just waiting for the landscape booklet getting produced. Oh look, it's already came out of the machine. Very quick and fast and efficient. Let's check the quality. So the 2 jobs of today are done. And last but not least, let's not forget our iCE stitcher starts with iCE, which means that it can connect to our post-press management system, the iCE link, and comes factory ready. By the way, now we offer the 1-year free connection fee. Why not give it a try? Okay, so that concludes my demo. Adrian, how do you think?
Honestly, Gwandi, great demo. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now that everyone knows how the machine works from your excellent demo, let's talk a little bit about numbers. So the productivity of the iCE Stitcher SPF-2000 has been increased by 5%. That means when we're producing A4 sized booklets, instead of 4,000, we're producing 4,200. And when producing A5 sized booklets, instead of 4,500, we're producing 4,700, and so on. In addition to the productivity, as Gwandi mentioned earlier, we are now capable to do landscape booklets with the same compact design that the SPF-200 had, and with precise center stitching that just increases your business opportunities with the iCE Stitcher SPF-2000 even more.
Yes, very well concluded, Adrian. And not to mention, we have a lot of options for you to choose to produce a variety of products.
That's right. And that's all we have for you today. So until next time, remember, stay happy, stay healthy, and finish
Finishing
first
first
with
with
Horizon.
Horizon.
Bye.
Bye.